Alright, this is the JMAZ video for NAMM 2020. Wow. I like the programming on this show. It's good. Looks real good. I think Edgar did this, didn't he? Edgar Gonzalez did this one? I think it is. Wow. Games are nice. That looks cool. We're recording video. Say hi to everybody. See, no copyright infringement on this one. We're talking too much over it. Marlo just showed up. He's behind me. That is so cool. Look how clear that is. Those things have come so far, those video panels. That's incredible. Look at that.
Pretty high def.
Yeah, and it's just pixelized LEDs. You know, little LEDs. It's just getting better and better. And more affordable, you know. I'm waiting for it to be like roll up, where I can just roll it up and put it into like a little tube with a holster.
Well, you know, I bet you eventually they'll probably have TVs that big.
Wouldn't it be cool if there was like this projector that could just project out on the wall?
Yeah.
Oh wait, yeah, they have that. Yeah, that's cool too.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, man. We get to see everything with fresh eyes today. That thing looks like a crazy ET. Like ET had a bad day. Or went to a club or ate some mushrooms or something. Look at that. That looks nice. Very, very nice. Very cool. It's good though. I like Idle.
It's been good. Good. I'm very good, already.
JMAZ Light Show at NAMM 2020.